Finding men's gear that's actually worth it is tough. This roundup pulls together smart, stylish, and seriously useful upgrades, EDC essentials, workshop workhorses, travel-ready tech, and a few giftable wildcards. We focused on real specs, durable builds, and everyday wins that earn space in your routine. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website at consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 30. Fanttik E1 Max Electric Screwdriver Pocket-Sized Torque for Precision Repairs. The E1 Max ships with 50 magnetic bits across 12 types, a 200 RPM motor, and a 2-mode torque system for delicate boards or stubborn fasteners. A magnetic chuck and storage case keep parts organized, while the 350 mAh battery powers through 450+ screws per full charge. An LED ring lights tight spaces so you can see every thread. Why it's worth buying. Rare blend of speed, control, and portability. Perfect for phones, cameras, and everyday micro fixes. Number 29. Tietoc Mini Chainsaw 6-inch cordless trim, prune, and break down branches without the bulk. This 6-inch handheld saw weighs about 2 pounds and packs an 880-watt motor with responsive throttle for clean, quick cuts. An auto-oiling system reduces maintenance, and 2 high-capacity batteries extend runtime for yard sessions. Safety details, security lock, handguard, and anti-slip grip add confidence for new users. Why it's worth buying. Compact power that makes yard work and campsite chores faster and safer than a manual saw without dragging cords. Number 28. Leatherman Free P4 Multitool, a premium EDC problem solver with magnetic architecture for smooth, low-friction deployment. The Free P4 bundles 21 tools, including knives, pliers, cutters, saw, and drivers, into a compact 244-gram frame. A removable pocket clip and rugged nylon sheath cover carry, while one-handed access and reliable locks keep tasks moving. Made in the USA and backed by Leatherman's long-running warranty. Why it's worth buying. The P4's tool density and slick open close feel mean you'll actually use it daily, not just admire it. Number 27. LEXIVON Butane Soldering Iron Kit Cordless, Fast and Versatile. The LX770 heats in roughly 15 to 30 seconds and converts between soldering iron, microtorch, heat gun, and hot air blower with included tips. A large fuel reservoir delivers up to 40 minutes of continuous operation, and the protective case keeps everything organized. Flame and temperature are easily adjusted for electronics, automotive fixes, or hobby builds. Why it's worth buying. Plug-free freedom and multi-mode capability in one kit. Perfect for mobile repairs when an outlet isn't an option. Number 26. Ufree All-in-One Beard Trimmer. Kit dial in face, beard, and body grooming with 6 interchangeable heads and precise guards. Stainless steel blades stay sharp with minimal irritation, while an LED display tracks battery status at a glance. A 1.5-hour charge delivers up to 90 minutes of cordless runtime, and the waterproof design simplifies shower use and cleanup. 2 quiet speed modes help you move from detail work to bulk trimming. Why it's worth buying. One tidy kit replaces multiple tools and keeps your routine streamlined. Number 25. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops, a practical, pocketable EDC with a 3.1-inch high-carbon stainless blade for slicing, scraping, and quick utility jobs. The aluminum handle and liner lock keep things light yet secure, while jimping and partial serrations add control. One-handed opening via finger flipper and ambidextrous thumb knobs makes it ready on the spot. A sturdy clip rides discreetly in pocket. Why it's worth buying. Dependable cutting performance in a budget-friendly package. Ideal for box duty, camp tasks, and everyday odd jobs. Number 24. Ember Travel Mug 2 Plus with Find My Coffee at your exact temperature. No guesswork. Ember maintains your chosen heat for up to 3 hours on a charge with a touch display for quick adjustments. The 360-degree sip anywhere lid and push-to-open, spill-resistant design play nicely with commutes. Apple Find. My compatibility helps you locate it if it walks off. Hand wash simple, desk-friendly sleek. Why it's worth buying. Consistent flavor from first sip to last, plus smart tracking. An everyday upgrade you'll feel every morning. Number 23. Thunderbolt Knee Pads for Work. Built for long kneeling sessions, double gel padding and thick foam absorb pressure on hard debris-covered surfaces, while a non-slip shield protects fabric and skin. The ergonomic shell supports tendons and muscles, and fully adjustable straps secure a stay-put fit for flooring, roofing, gardening, or garage projects. Durable stitching and tough materials take job site abuse. Why it's worth buying: serious joint protection that keeps you comfortable longer, finish tasks faster with fewer breaks and fewer aches. Number 22. KeySmart Compact Key Holder. Turn a jingle of keys into a slim, silent stack. KeySmart's compact frame holds multiple keys with expansion options, eliminating pocket bulk and sharp edges. Swap keys in with the included hardware, add accessories like a bottle opener or tile tracker, and clip a car fob to the end. The result: quick access, no rattling, and cleaner carry. Why it's worth buying: a tiny organizer that quietly upgrades your EDC every single day. Once you try it, you won't go back. Number 21. BOSCH GST18 Phi-60C N18 Vi Pro level curves and straight cuts with a brushless motor delivering up to 3,800 SPM. 4 orbital settings switch from fast to clean cuts, and an adjustable blade guide reduces deflection in thick stock. App connectivity lets you fine-tune speed, LED behavior, and tool monitoring. Tool-free blade changes keep work flowing, and the top handle grip stabilizes tricky patterns. Why it's worth buying: accuracy, speed, and smart control. Woodworkers and DIYers get shop-quality results from an 18-volt platform they already use. Number 20. Zitahli Slim Wallet Minimalist Carry Without Compromise. This RFID blocking wallet keeps tap-to-pay safe while a secure money clip handles cash. A sleek 4.4 by 3.2 by 0.47-inch profile disappears in front pockets, yet organized slots and an ID window keep cards ready. Durable materials resist daily wear, and the refined finish makes it easy to gift. Why it's worth buying: ditch bulk and keep essentials streamlined. Clean lines, quick access, and modern protection in an everyday wallet that actually stays slim. Number 19. Callaway 300 Pro Confidence from Tee to Green. Measure out to 1,000 yards with 6 times magnification and slope-adjusted distances for uphill and downhill shots. Pin acquisition technology locks onto the flag up to 300 yards and pulses gently to confirm. With plus or minus 1 yard accuracy, you get the number you need, fast. Compact, grippy, and course-ready. Why it's worth buying: trustworthy yardage removes guesswork, tightens club selection, and lowers scores. Serious tech for practice days and tournament weekends alike. Number 18. VAULTEK LifePod 20 Lockable Protect Valuables on the Move. LifePod 20 combines a rugged, lockable shell with a sealed design that helps resist dust and water. The touch-activated keypad offers quick access with a backup key just in case. Inside, modular dividers and pockets keep gear tidy: wallet, passport, watch, or electronics. Lightweight construction packs into bags or vehicles without bulk. Why it's worth buying: travel-proof peace of mind in a sleek form factor. Secure, organized, and ready for everyday carry or road trips. Number 17. HOTO Mini Bike Tire Pocketable Air for bikes, moto, and sports gear. Set your target pressure and let the smart chip auto-stop at exactly 150 psi max. It can bump a road tire from 80 to 100 psi in seconds, with preset modes and a bright display for quick checks. The built-in battery handles multiple inflations per charge, and the compact body fits jersey pockets or saddlebags. Why it's worth buying: fast, accurate inflations anywhere. Goodbye gas station pumps and unreliable hand minis. Number 16. CHAOREN Leather Ratchet. Get the fit dialed in. This micro-adjust belt advances in fine 1/5 inch increments for that just right feel after meals or long days. A scratch-resistant buckle locks with a satisfying click, and a side lever releases instantly. Genuine leather elevates jeans and office wear, and the presentation box makes it gift-ready. Trim to size once and you're set. Why it's worth buying: smarter than traditional holes, clean look, easy adjustments, and all-day comfort you can feel. Number 15. RAK Magnetic Wristband. Turn your wrist into a parts tray. The RAK wristband hides 10 strong magnets under a rugged nylon shell, catching screws, nails, bits, and washers while you work. Breathable mesh keeps things cool, and the adjustable strap fits over shirts or gloves without slipping. On ladders, under sinks, or inside a PC case, small hardware stays put and within reach. No more mouth-holding screws or pocket fishing mid-project. Why it's worth buying. Fewer dropped parts, faster tasks, and a low-cost upgrade every DIYer will actually use. Number 14. Procci Electric Battery Suction Lift Slick, Heavy Materials with Control. This 10-inch powered suction cup uses dual motors and a large pad to grip glass, tile, marble, and polished metal securely. A clear LCD shows suction and battery status, while one-button operation speed setup on installs. The textured handle improves leverage for precise placement and safer carries. Rechargeable power keeps it running through job after job, and the case makes transport simple. Why it's worth buying. Safer hands, fewer chips, and steadier installs. Professional results without white-knuckle lifts. Number 13. Egnaro Silicone Rings. A ring that moves with you. Egnaro's flexible, hypoallergenic silicone bands are built for gym sessions, outdoor jobs, and hot days when fingers swell. Ventilated interiors reduce sweat and pressure marks, and the soft profile slips easily under gloves without pinching. Multiple sizes and color packs make backup simple, whether you're traveling or rotating for workouts. They're tough enough for barbells and yard work, yet comfortable all day. Why it's worth buying. Wedding band look minus the metal downsides, safer, lighter, and ready for active hands. Number 12. MANSCAPED Shears 3.0 Clean. Precise grooming in a compact case. Shears 3.0 packs sharp nail clippers, slant tweezers, cuticle scissors, and a file into a water-resistant pouch that fits luggage or a drawer. Stainless steel tools deliver controlled cuts, while larger finger hoops on the scissors improve grip for tricky angles. Each piece docks in molded slots, so nothing rattles loose or scratches. Tidy nails say you pay attention without booking a manicure. Why it's worth buying. Durable tools, organized carry, and a polished look you can maintain anywhere. Number 11. MATEIN Travel Laptop Slim Profile, Smart Storage. MATEIN's bestseller hides a padded sleeve for a 15.6-inch laptop plus room for chargers, notebooks, and a day's carry. A built-in USB port simplifies on-the-go charging, while a hidden anti-theft pocket guards passport and wallet. Padded straps and breathable back panels help on commutes, and a luggage strap slips over suitcase handles for airports. Water-resistant fabric shrugs off light rain. Why it's worth buying. Clean styling and quietly useful features that make daily moves, office, class, flights feel dialed in and organized. Number 10. Whiskey Smoker. Kit adds smokehouse drama to your pours. This kit includes a handheld torch, 6 wood chip flavors, metal filter, 2 rocks glasses, and ice molds in a giftable box. Set the smoker on your glass, ignite, and infuse rich aroma in seconds. No heating your drink. It's equally fun on cheeses, meats, and garnishes for a chef's touch at home. Setup is easy, and cleanup is quick. Why it's worth buying. Turns a simple cocktail into a showpiece. Bar quality results without leaving the kitchen or breaking out complex gear. Number 9. Portable Waist Fan Beat Heat Hands-Free. This compact blower clips to your belt or hangs from a lanyard to push steady airflow where it counts, under a shirt or vest. Multiple speed settings handle job sites, hikes, and yard work, while a long-lasting rechargeable battery covers full days. The angled outlet cools your core instead of just your neck, and a rugged shell shrugs off bumps and dust. USB recharging keeps it ready. Why it's worth buying. Real cooling that moves with you, more effective than neck fans when you're working hard. Number 8. Go Sports 10 feet by 7 feet P-Row Golf Practice. Build a home range that packs away fast. This 10 by 7 foot net swallows full swings, with a central target and side pockets to tighten accuracy. The set includes a turf mat, balls, rubber tee, and carry bag, while dense mesh and reinforced seams handle repeat practice. Setup is straightforward. Takedown is quick and compact for closets or car trunks. Work irons, drivers, and chips without range fees. Why it's worth buying. More reps on your schedule, better contact, tighter dispersion, and progress you can feel before the next round. Number 7. Lever Gear Tool Card Pro 40 Tools, Credit Card Slim. The Toolcard Pro pairs screwdrivers, wrenches, bottle opener, box cutter, rulers, and a pry edge with a money clip back for 6 cards and cash. 420 stainless steel keeps edges true while chamfered corners slide in and out of wallets without snags. Laser-etched markings stay readable after years of use. No rattling, no bulk, just fixes on demand. Why it's worth buying. Everyday utility you'll actually carry. Perfect for packaging, bike tweaks, and quick adjustments when a full toolbox isn't nearby. Number 6. DeWalt 20V Max Tire Inflator. Inflate anything, anywhere. This portable compressor runs on 20V max batteries, 12V car power, or standard AC, so you're covered at home, on the road, and at the field. High pressure mode with auto shutoff nails tire targets. High volume mode inflates rafts and gear fast. A threaded chuck locks securely. Onboard tip storage keeps accessories tidy, and an LED work light helps after dark. Why it's worth buying. Precise fills without gas station guesswork. Multi-power flexibility that earns a permanent spot in trunk or garage. Number 5. Kobach car registration and insurance holder make glove box checks painless. Kobach's Slim Folio uses a strong magnetic closure and soft lining to keep registration, insurance, and roadside paperwork flat and protected. Clear PVC sleeves show documents at a glance for traffic stops or renewals, while extra slots hold a license, cards, or toll pass. The stitched PU leather cover looks clean and hides scuffs. Move it between vehicles without creasing anything. Why it's worth buying. Faster, calmer document handoffs. Everything stays organized, visible, and ready when it matters most. Number 4. Foldable push-up board. Home strength training without the gym footprint. The color-coded board maps grips to chest, shoulders, back, and triceps, helping you target cleanly without guesswork. Add the included resistance bands, ankle straps, and ab roller to round out push-pull sessions. Non-slip handles and labeled positions keep form consistent, and the folding design stores under a bed or desk. Great for travel or small apartments. Why it's worth buying. A structured routine in a compact kit. Quick setup, clear guidance, and real burn without racks or benches. Number 3. FitBeast Grip Strength Trainer. Set builds serious hand and forearm strength. The adjustable gripper dials from light rehab to heavy crushes, while finger stretch bands, therapy balls, and a ring balance the work. Ergonomic handles prevent hot spots during longer sessions, and the compact kit travels easily in a backpack or desk drawer. Climbers, lifters, musicians, gamers, and desk workers all see payoff in control and endurance. Why it's worth buying. Measurable progression. Add resistance, add reps, and feel carryover in pulls, swings, and everyday grip demands. Number 2. Asobu Frosty Beer 2. Go cold that lasts. This double-wall, vacuum-insulated cooler converts between standard 12-ounce bottles and cans with a quick swap, keeping drinks chilled for hours. The stainless shell shrugs off drops, and the grippy exterior stays dry in humid weather. A built-in opener means you're never hunting for one, whether you're at the beach, tailgate, or backyard hang. Threaded closures seal out sand and dust. Why it's worth buying. Simple, durable, and effective. Cold stays cold, hands stay dry, and your drink finishes as crisp as it started. Number 1. DJI Mic 2 Pro Level Audio without the hassle. DJI Mic 2 includes 2 transmitters and a compact receiver for dual-channel recording to cameras, phones, or laptops. Intelligent noise reduction keeps voices clear in busy spaces, and magnetic clips make mounting fast on shirts or jackets. The charging case tops up gear between takes and keeps everything organized. Long line of sight range handles, walk and talks, and outdoor pieces. Why it's worth buying. Clean, reliable voice tracks elevate every video. Set once, hit record, and sound like you mean it. Thanks for watching. Everything we featured is linked in the description, along with specs and any limited time deals. If a gadget caught your eye, tell us which one in the comments. We read them all. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next drop.